Hi lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Did you know that 4.8 billion people use social media right now? Yes, you heard me right. And get this, platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, they generate billions of dollars in revenue every year. And everyday creators, just like you and me, are getting pieces of that pie. You guys, whether you have 10 followers or 10,000 followers, there is ways to turn your content into cash. And this video, I'm breaking down 3 powerful ways to make money using these platforms, even if you're just getting started. Let's jump in. Before we jump in, I would like to say thank you very much for everybody that is tuned to Immaculate Show. Thank you very much for everybody that is always here. You're so awesome. I love you so much. Thanks for being stationed on Immaculate Show, for allowing our beautiful faces to be in your space. You know, as Immaculate Show, our major aim, our major objective is to make sure to open your eyes and say, hey girl, baby boy, social media with your smartphone, you can make money even at the comfort of your home, whether you have experience or you don't have experience. I hate that word. For the people who don't know there is money, they are the ones who will be on social media and say, we have numbers. Numbers here don't work. What works here is what you give out. So when you're giving rubbish, your AdSense might not come out as someone who is giving something variable. Let's dive in and see exactly how individuals are making billions of money. We are talking about 4.8 billion people. The first one is by ad revenue and partner programs. Ad revenue and partner programs, these ones we are talking about platforms like YouTube, Facebook. Once you meet certain criteria, like having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or hitting 10,000 followers on Facebook, you can start earning money from ads shown on your videos. On platforms like YouTube and Facebook, once you meet certain criteria, you guys, as we talked, you will make money till infinity. Even if it is TikTok or Instagram, you need to have their own creator funds and bonus programs. If you know you have qualified for that, you will get your pay directly for creating engaging content. The more views, watch time, and engagement you get, the bigger your cut. Here I want to clarify, you guys. Views don't give you money. What gives you money is what you give and where the audience comes from, even the type of the view duration. So the views, they come in to supplement all these ones. The bigger your cut is when your engagement is very high, your click ratio is high, you invested your energy into a nice niche, that is a high paying niche, then the views supplement it. It's not overnight money, by the way, but it's real revenue streams if you can stay consistent. The second one is the second way is brand deals and sponsorships. You have seen a lot of your friends signing deals, brands, something like that. You know it in your community, even in your circles, that person who has signed deals. I've received a lot of deals, a lot of collaborations, but I think it's not yet my time to sign for this because I don't need pressure. But if you know you need it, go for it. You don't need millions of followers. Do I have millions of followers? No, but I have already gotten a request and people are submitting in their submission for me to be in collaboration with them, for me to represent their brands like that. What you need here, even small creators with engaged audience can work with brands, especially if you focus on a niche like fitness, fashion, technical reviews, personalized finance, and education. Brands will pay you to showcase their products in your videos, stories, reels, or TikToks. In fact, influencer marketing is expected to hit over 24 billion US dollars globally in the next year, that is 2026. And brands are always looking for authentic voices to partner with them. They will look at what you do, what you give, and even how you do your things. Are you consistent? And they will need you seriously. So start right now. So whether you are reviewing products or creating sponsored kits, this is a great way to monetize your content directly. The way 3 is selling your own products or services. I know here you click me. Selling your own products or services is very great. This is one of the most profitable and long-term ways to make money from social media. Whether you sell merch, online courses, coaching services, or even digital downloads, social platforms, they give you direct access to your audience, and that means direct sales. You can use Instagram stories with products links, TikTok shop, YouTube video descriptions, and even Facebook marketplace to sell your own stuff, cutting out the middleman and keeping more of the profits. You guys, what do you think? I want you to go to the comment section and tell us, out of these 3 methods, out of these 3 ways for you, how you can use your content, your social media platform, and your phone, like that I've told you, do you think you have done, have you tried one? Or have you had any person who has tried one? Have you heard about it? Because what matters is our exposure. If you've heard about it, please put it in the comment section. And also, if you have an urge, you feel like I can start this myself, you don't need a lot of things. You'll see the previous video. What you need, we put our video some time back. What you need is your focus. What you need is your niche. What you need is your smartphone, where you are, good lighting, and start off. We started from scratch. There is no procrastination. There is no extending that tomorrow will be there for me. I'll start tomorrow. Just start today. Having had all these 3 types I've given you, they are very simple and very friendly to you who is a beginner, to you who wants to make some money. I always tell you that whatever you find on social media, it is 1%. If it goes beyond, it will be 2%. The 99 or 98 will be used to venture in. I wasn't taught anywhere this all. I taught myself, because the world, the universe is open for you to learn a lot of things. So what I want you to do, I want you to dive in and learn all these things for your own. Now that I've opened up the way and I've told you guys, this content we are doing, I cannot lack. Every day I receive amount of money. I set my own self I set the certain money that every day I want this amount of money. And I'm not doing a hard job. I'm sitting, I'm talking, this is my niche. So you might be having your niche from your interest, from what you love, from what you do. Every day, your lifespan, your life story, your life experience is content. You can do content at any time. So doing it, turning your content into monetary terms should be very simple. I want you, by the time you finish watching this video, by the time you reached with me here, you should have liked this video and you should have even sent it to somebody. And you should also have already known exactly where do I want to begin from. So do you think in these solid ways to make money on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, or Instagram, whether you are aiming for ad revenue, partnering with brands, or building your own products empire, can you get at least one? If you don't get one, if you want, you can get all 3, or you get one. Because if you're active, brand sponsorship will look for you. I'm telling you, they are looking for me right now. If you're active, selling your products, you have to make a product out. Like now, I've already made a product out of my content. So you'll find you're doing it, all the 3. But if you're starting, you can start with 1. So thank you very much, you guys. Let me see you in another video. Bye-bye.